What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I wanted to make this video on how I was able to make over $100,000 with this website that I only put $300 into. Now, this didn't happen overnight or anything along those lines. It took 2 years for this website to make over $100,000. But after that $300 initial investment and $10 or it's like $15, something like that a month, basically just to keep the website up and running for your hosting, there is like really no other cost. So basically, $100,000 in pure profit from this website, and then I'm not using any paid traffic for this. So in a nutshell, what you do is you get a website made by your developers, or you go to a place like FlipUp, buy a website, then you rank it, and then you pretty much just forget about it. Like literally, that's it. Now, it's not always super sweet, so I made sure to show you guys a website that didn't do as good. So this website right here, as you guys can see, if we go from 2017 to 2019, this website did 100,000. This website only did 8,000, right? So that's roughly like an extra $4,000 a year, but it's free. Like that's $8,000 for free, right? And if you get a few of these websites going, let's say you get 10 websites going that only make $4,000 a year, that's $40,000 per year that you're getting on autopilot. That's the best part about this. You set the website up, you let it run, and then you just collect. It's just that simple. And this works with damn near any website that's out there. So it's not like you have to buy a particular website, or you have to buy some special software, or you have to buy, something special. It's not like that by any means. It's very simple. You buy a website, you rank that website, and then you just get traffic. It's just that simple, right? It's kind of like how it is with Google Trends. Like you can do this method with the Google Trends method or whatnot and absolutely crush it, right? Like that's how I was able to buy this house here in 10 days. Like the Google Trends is just fucking amazing. Like I don't know how I slept on Google Trends for I think I slept on Google Trends for like 2 years or something like that. Like I don't know what happened, but I mean, man, Google Trends, I don't know how it happened to where I just slept on it, but Google Trends is my bread and butter. Like, if I lost access to Facebook, Google, Yahoo, native ads, dot traffic, mobile ads, and every other ad platform that I run on, if I lost access to all of those, I would still be 100% fine because I got free traffic coming in from Google, like from Google Trends. It's just amazing. That's all I'm gonna say about that. It's absolutely amazing. I fucking love Google Trends. Like I don't even fuck with tattoos, but I mean, I had to get that tattoo. Now I'm totally fucking with you, but yeah, I'm telling you guys, don't sleep on Google Trends. Another big player that's coming up is TikTok. TikTok is absolutely crushing it as well with the free traffic right now. So yeah, I got a bunch of videos that's gonna be coming up shortly or whatever. But to get these type of websites made, all you have to do is go to Fiverr and post a request. Now, again, it doesn't really matter what type of website you get made. A lot of people's gonna hit me up about that. Like, dude, what type of website? It does not matter. Like, get you a website up and running, and then just rank it, and then that's it. Like, just have a product or service that you have, and then that's it. Now, one thing I do recommend is using WordPress and getting a merchant because you get paid every single day, like every single day. Every time you get a sale, that goes directly to your account. Boom, just like that, over and over and over. Payment, 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 payment the very next day. So you don't have to worry about shit with PayPal, with them locking your account up, or Stripe or any of that. If you use your own merchant, you don't have to worry about that. It's a little bit of a pain in the ass, like I always say, but it is so worth it, guys. So worth it. Because I'm telling you, man, using PayPal and shit like that. I mean, I told you guys about how I lost like an easy, I think like $40,000 to $50,000 with them. Just trust me, guys, it is not worth using PayPal if you are a business owner. Get your own merchant, become an actual real business owner in the eyes of the law, anyway. All right, but yeah, gonna go to Fiverr, make a post, basically saying what you want made, and then from there you're gonna just rank it. That's it. Now you can start getting traffic from YouTube. You can start getting traffic from Google. You can just start doing it. Like that's it. That's the main thing, guys, is just getting started. Like once you got your product or you got your service or your website or whatever it is that you want, just start getting traffic to it. You can use Facebook, again, free traffic. You can use the Facebook groups, again, free traffic. You can use TikTok now. Again, free traffic. If you're a Google Trends course member or whatnot, you guys can use a Google Trends course and rank shit instantly and make thousands of dollars damn near instantly, right? But obviously, it's not instantly. It takes a little bit of time, and I say that so people don't have the wrong idea about Google Trends. But it's amazing. Let's just say that. All right. But you guys can use shit. I forgot where I left off at. But you guys get what I'm saying. You free traffic. You got tons of platforms out there that you can get free traffic from. Once you get your website up and running, just rank it or just get a way to where it's just receiving constant traffic from a particular keyword or a particular video or something like that, and that's it. You just again collect your payments every single day. So that's it. I mean, there really isn't much else to explain. It's not a difficult method by any means. Again, you can come over to Flippa and buy a website from over here. Now, when it comes to buying websites from over here, you kind of got to know what you're doing. I made a whole video on that. I highly recommend going to watch it. It's like 20-something minutes, but trust me, guys, you definitely want to watch that video all the way through. It's going to save you a shit ton of money because nothing sucks more than buying a website over here for like $500 and then realizing it's nothing but a goddamn script that costs $20. Like, yeah, like that shit sucks. So telling you guys, do your due diligence. Go watch that video and make sure you know what you're buying over here. If anything, you can come over here, look around, see if a website has a particular service or offer or service you want to buy, or a particular service that you want to promote or something like that. You can just go take that website URL and then take it over to Fiverr and be like, hey, can somebody make me a website? Look, that's like this right here, right? Boom. They want to charge $500. They might charge you $150 to actually get it all made up, and it's going to be completely custom. You can get a website logo made for $5 and all that stuff. It's very simple to do this stuff, guys. It's not difficult by any means. Again, I know a lot of people are just going to get hung up on what type of website should I get made. It does not matter. Like, I just recommend going to anything that's not into making money online niche, because it is so much simpler to sell people useless shit or sell people things that they don't need than it is to sell them a course on how they can become, financially free. It is so much easier. Like, for example, it is a million times easier to sell $1,000 iPhone than it is to sell a $100 course on how you can make thousands upon thousands of dollars. Like, think about that. Like, there are people who are searching every single day how to make money online, how to make more money, how they can quit their job on $1,000 iPhone, but they will not invest $100 or $200 or $300 or $500 or shit, even $5 or $10 on a goddamn ebook. They won't invest that amount of money so that way they can learn how to build a business and all of this stuff, but they have no problem dropping $1,000 on a goddamn iPhone. See what I'm saying? Like, it's just give people what they want. It's just that simple, guys. So go into anything that is not in the making money online niche. I'm telling you, you're going to make some good money. All right. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it on that note. I know this was kind of like one of those long-winded talk videos or whatever, but this isn't like something that I can just show you. Like, there isn't really anything to show. You just go and buy a goddamn website, or you go to Fiverr and be like, hey, I want this website made, and then that's it. There really isn't a process behind it. There isn't anything behind it. And again, I've got several videos on the channel that show you how to get free traffic, so there are no excuses. Like, you know where to get the websites made, you know where to go to find a developer, you know where to go if you don't want to buy the developer route and you just want to buy a website, you know where to go to do that. You got everything you need. You just need to get started. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that fun stuff.